LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned how we can trade, and we mentioned if we get any sharp move with the flag, we can look for buy. And this is what we get. We get this move with this small correction, and we mentioned when the price come to the top, we have to start to manage. Now that we see the price is here. Okay, whether the traders, they want to, if they would take out the profit is okay. If they are in, I mean, they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even, because we can expect the price to give us one more drop. Okay, and if we move to 15 minute, this is where we could look for the first buy. Okay, now the question is whether this is the start of the reversal. That means we can get one more drop or the correction for continuation. All right, in this case, first we move to forward chart. First, based on forward chart, we can see the first time when the price break the top, it reverse, and now is the second one. Whether we can expect for the continuation or give us one more drop, because if we get any drop, then we will have more complex correction. For example, what we're talking, and we can expect this, and we can look for this correction as a buy, which is going to break this top and continue, because at that times we can put this correction in relative to this. Or because from what we have seen, even this one drop. Okay, because if we get a correction, it depends how sharp it drop. And anyway, if we get one more drop, we can look for this correction as a buy. Okay, in this case, if I move to 1 hour chart, as we can see here, the best things, if we want to look for buy, we get one more drop, because at that times we can have a flat, and this any reversal from there, we can get our good opportunity to look for buy, at least similar to what we get here. But how about if the price continue from here? We didn't get the trade setup. If this one, there is a continuation, I mean, we didn't get the drop, there is a continuation, the best things is we wait for the breakout of 210. Any small correction of a leg above that, we can look for buy. Okay, can we have entry above the top? If there is a continuation from here, we are not going to have entry above the top. Okay, the only way, if we get the small a bit correction here, we see with the price start to correct here but didn't drop, because we mentioned if this one start to drop, we can look for flat, any reversal, this is what we're looking for. Okay, but if the price start to correct here, we see the way is just a sideways, then maybe we can have a entry above the top, which we put 210. And what we want, because at that time we can expect the price to break the 210 and continue. But if there, what we have right now, we cannot, because it's still the price easily priced can tag and reverse. We don't want to be in that trade unless traders they know how to manage it if the price didn't move. Okay, anyway, right now if you want to look for buy, the best things we get, if we get one more drop, this is what we're more interested. If there is a continuation, we wait for the breakout of the 210, and if like a correction, and if the prices start to correct here as a sideways, maybe we can have entry above the top, which is 210. Okay, and if anyone wants to look for sell, they need to get the sharp move with the flag. Maybe they can look for one more drop. Okay, by the way, we don't have any trade setup right now, and as we can see, we want to see what we will get from here, because we want to get the proper correction for buy. And if we move to 15 minute, all right, this is what we can see. Can this one turn to another move similar to what we have here for one move? And this is the one is going to break the top. Also, we can expect. Okay, now the thing is whether we can, if there is a reversal, whether we can get trade set up. This is based on 15 minutes. Still, maybe we can look for sharp and flag. Okay, or I don't think we can get unless this one become really deep, because if we become really deep, then we cannot put in relative to this. All right, and can we consider this one by having entry above the top? It can be a big option, but still we prefer to get a big correction here, not the only what we have right now. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart and see how we can trade it, and we cannot jump into the trade because if one times the price couldn't break, and this is second times. If there is a continuation, still we can expect for one more drop. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.